Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to this video on a reply to requesting information or information seeking letter. Now, if you have not watched video on how to write an information seeking letter, I advise you to go and watch that video because this is a sequel of that video. Now, in this particular video, we are going to throw some light on how do we reply an information seeking letter. In paragraph 1, we acknowledge information seeking. So whatever information has been asked, we do not straight away provide here. We just first of all acknowledge the information and we appreciate the writer for considering our company or our organization for this purpose, for whatever the purpose of the other organization may be. Now, paragraph 2, we provide requested details. For example, in previous sample, the writer wanted some information about certain laptops. So we provide whatever information is has been requested by the writer of information seeking letter. Every single detail is catered to in this particular paragraph. Besides this, we may aid some sales promotion. For example, if the writer has asked about one particular product, we can promote other products meanwhile in a sentence or two. This is what we call sales promotion, and this can be done in the latter part of paragraph 2. In paragraph 3, particularly, we talk about order convenience. For example, is there any website where the writer of the information seeking letter can place the order, and if whatever best possible ways you can create for them to place an order, what we mentioned all of them here. And the second thing, any enclosure. For example, you are enclosing a brochure of your products or anything like that for the reader to read it, so you enclose it with the letter and you mention that uh, thing here as well in a sentence. That's it. And obviously then appropriate friendly clause will always be there. So for example, this particular sample is the sequel of the previous letter, in which the writer wanted some information about the latest version of laptops from HP company. Now, uh, subject, if you can see, because this is a reply, so we have written RE colon and then the same uh, subject. Salutation is given. Then, if you see, thank you for taking interest once again in our laptops. We are glad to have once again your belief in our products. As you ask some information regarding our laptops, that is provided below. Now, what you see, the writer has first of all acknowledged information seeking, and then he has showed his concern, his positive emotions and feelings about this, and then he has very briefly mentioned that the required information or the requested information is mentioned below. Below means in the second paragraph. What you can see is that two pieces of information have been provided very specifically and again using bullet points. So you can use bullet points in paragraph 2 in order to uh, specifically answer the questions that the writer has asked in information seeking letter. Carrying forward the same idea, the writer has given more information again according to the questions asked by the writer of the information seeking letter. So specifically contributing, catering to the questions asked by the writer. Now in the third paragraph, what we see, once again thanks, but that's not necessary, you can omit it. I hope we will have a good and long term relation. So this is a future looking, forward looking statement, so you should have this sort of statement. Then moreover, if you want some other information regarding our products, you can visit our customer service center. So this is what we call order convenience or customer facilitation, and then appropriate friendly clause. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.